In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stylish border to your Google Docs file to give it that extra flair. Whether you're working on a resume, a creative project, or anything that could use a little decorative touch, this guide will show you how to do just that. First things first, head over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account to access your documents. If you already have a specific file in mind, simply open it up. But if you're starting from scratch or using this as a fun learning exercise, feel free to create a new document. For the purpose of this guide, let's say I'm opening up a resume document. It'll be a perfect example to show how a border can enhance the appearance of your content. The next step is to click on File in the top menu and find the Page Setup option. This is where we will ensure there's enough space to accommodate your border without interfering with your content. Set the margins in a way that balances the aesthetics and readability of your document. Once you've fine-tuned those settings, it's time to add the border. There are many ways to find borders, but for this example, I got mine from freepik.com. It's a fantastic resource for finding all sorts of graphics, including borders that you can freely use. Once you have downloaded a border image that you like, return to your document. Find the Insert menu at the top of your screen and click on Image. This will prompt you to locate the border file you downloaded. Once you find it, select the file and click Open to upload it to your document. Now that your border is visible, click on it to bring up various formatting options. Select in front of text so that the border does not interfere with any of your document content. It's also crucial to change the setting from Move with Text to Fix Position on Page. This ensures that your border stays exactly where you want it, irrespective of any text additions or modifications you make later on. Finally, adjust your border to your liking. You can click and drag to move it around or use the corner handles to resize it, ensuring it perfectly frames your content without overwhelming it or taking up too much space. And that's it. You've successfully added a border to your Google Doc. Now enjoy the newfound elegance of your document, which now carries a professional and polished look that really stands out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy crafting with Google Docs.